Hey guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Railroad, guys. Welcome back to the adventure on the hot rails of Kiamichi Railroad, guys. Here they come, guys. So hope y'all enjoy this. Hope you enjoy this video, guys. Here comes my brothers on the rails, and they're heading to Hugo. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video, guys. Alright guys, I came down here and I came not so far out of town. I came to my usual spot, so I kind of thought I'd kind of want to stay close to the town, but maybe tomorrow I might go out to Hayworth or just stay here in town. But guys, there goes my biggest fans, guys. They gave me a honk. That means hello, and that's just them saying hi and stuff like that, and then that's also their friendly honk. That's them saying hi on the camera as well. So guys, tell me who's your favorite driver on the Kiamichi Railroad. All of them are my favorites. All of them are. They are my brothers. I have no favorites. If I do, then it's one of them. But they're all my favorites on the Kiamichi Railroad, guys. Alright guys, now the people, they see me filming the railroad crossing there at the very end of the train, and they stop until the flashing lights were stopped. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. If some of you are watching this video, y'all did a very good thing of stopping at a railroad crossing like this with me staring with you with my video camera and stuff like that. It just tells you follow railroad safety. You wait till the lights were off before you went across. So guys, there goes Fred. He's on the back end of the train tonight. The caboose is the tanker car. The tanker car is the caboose for Fred tonight. So Fred is the caboose leading the tanker car in the back. So guys, tell me what's your favorite engine on the Kiamichi Railroad. I got a biggest fan. His favorite engine is Joe. Some probably say, well, whose name is Joe? Who or what? Oh, she's a SD40-2, and her number is 4097. 4097. That's his favorite engine. She used to be a Conroe unit, but if anybody who's my biggest fan who watches my videos, tell me what's your favorite engine on the Kiamichi Railroad or wherever you're at, and who is your favorite railroad train engineers, train conductors. Just tell me who they are, and then I can tell you my favorites. But mostly, I'm going to tell you right now, they're all my favorite, everybody. So guys, stay tuned. Catch you guys next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad, owned by the Genesee in Wyoming. So guys, I'll catch you guys later. Marshall now. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time on the adventures on the Kiamichi Railroad. See you on the next adventure on the railroad, on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. See you in my next adventure on the short line. And don't forget to stop by and visit if you want to see me in person. So guys, you should recognize me. You should recognize me in my outfit and stuff like that. So guys, if you want to come and see me and stuff like that, just come right ahead. I don't mind if you come visit. I don't mind if you come visit me on the Kiamichi Railroad or anything like that. I'm not afraid. So guys, don't be afraid to stop by and come see me and see my friends driving the freight train, my brothers on the railroad. So guys, I'll catch you guys later. Like I said, Marshall out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.